What's up, everybody? We're back with another video. We're going to be unboxing the UDI U28W by Force1. This is the Peregrine. I know a lot of people, I see a lot of people doing their unboxing and review videos and they call it the peregrine and the peregrine, but it's actually the peregrine after the peregrine falcon, just so everybody knows. So let's go ahead and get with the unboxing. Hope everybody's having a great day. Doing a whole bunch of unboxings today in the same place, and we're going to do a whole lot of flight tests today in the same place, because why?
I don't know.
The weather's been bad for weeks and weeks and weeks, but it's a beautiful day today, so we're going to get her done. What do you think?
Get her done.
Get her done. All right. Now, all these boxes that have come with the Force1 products, I'm really impressed with the outside of them. They're really strong. You can actually keep using these boxes as a carrying case until you get an actual carrying case of some sort. If you don't want a carrying case, you don't got to get one. I ain't telling you have to. I ain't saying go get one right now. But you don't have to get a carrying case if you don't want one. But these will work for a carrying case until you get one, if you do want one. The inside, not so strong. I mean, it is what it is. It's a case inside of a case. But it's not like others that I've seen that have a hard foam case or a soft foam case or a hard box case, something inside that's harder, you know. But it is sturdy in the corners, flimsy in the bottom. Got your manual. Please let us know if you have any problems. Contact Force1 if you have any problems with your device. They are a great company and they will help you out. Customer service, top of the line. ProMark customer service, womp, womp, womp. Got your Force1 instruction guide. I'm not going to get into details. Instruction guides will tell you what to do. There are also videos on the web that show you what to do.
Who reads paperwork anyways?
You ain't lying, brother. Anyway, this is my little brother Joe here. He's part of our group on Facebook. If you guys want to link him up, go ahead. All right, first off, we've got the Falcon. Peregrine Falcon. Cute little bird. Pretty cool. Little mini. It's not a micro, but it's a little mini. It comes with extra props. A 4 gig SD card reader. That's a good thing right there. Comes with 5 prop guards. In case you know, is it 4 or 5? 1, 2. It only comes with 4 prop guards. I'm sorry, I'm a liar. 4 prop guards. And last but not least, your first person. What is this? Oh, that is cool. Not only does it come first person view, it has a screen shade. That is awesome. Screen shade. I wasn't expecting to get a screen shade with this little bitty bird. But that's awesome. Cool. First person view controller. And that's all that comes in the box, guys. We're gonna do a flight test here in a little bit. We'll see you. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Right down below. Like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.